What if I told you that you didn't have to create one single digital product to make money online? No course to build, no ebook to write, and no skills required. Would you believe me? What if the products were already made for you? Already proven, the system is totally proven to work, and it's only waiting for someone like you. That was exactly what I discovered. And today I'm going to walk you through the 3 different paths that change everything for me, and how you can pick and choose the one that actually fits you where you are in life right now. Regardless if you are living with pain like I do, or you have some other reason that you are just fed up with being in the same position that you are now. Perhaps you also want to go to time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. Well, I just say this, stick to the end, and you will find out. If you have been watching people doing all these things online with unlimited energy and say, well, they can do it, but that's nothing for me. I get it. I do, because that was me too. I wasn't techy. I wasn't young and beautiful. I didn't have all that energy that they had. And honestly, I thought I was too late. I mean, I was just a simple 50 plus Swedish grandma who lived with chronic pain and suddenly just felt enough is enough. I had this big dream and I didn't even know where to start. But here is what I wish that someone had told me and showed me when I was in that situation that you are now. You don't need to be an expert. That's number one. You don't need to be healthy every day. I mean, we both know that you have your flare days, I have my flare days, and we have our good days also, right? You don't need to build everything from scratch. You just need to understand the 3 different paths and pick the one that is best for you where you are in your life right now. Before we go any further, I want you to go download the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. That is a roadmap that showed me step by step to take me where I am today. And today I'm splitting my life between living 6 months on Bali, healing my body, and 6 months in Sweden, making memories with my family. And that is something that excites you. Well, simply go down below and download the Freedom Formula Blueprint. And there you can get started and take an educated decision if this is the solution for you too. Let's jump into number 1. You already know more than you think. The first path I'm going to talk about is creating your own digital product. Hop. Before you run away and close this video, hear me out. Because the number 1 thing I hear from my students is, Mia, I don't have any skills. I don't have anything to create or to sell. And I want to stop you right there, because that's simply not true. You don't have to be the world's leading authority in the subject, right? You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else to help them what they are desperately searching for. Think about the problems that you have already solved in life and the things you know someone else has been searching for. How to manage your pain and still show up. How to simplify your home, your life, when your energy is limited. How to create different income streams to make your life on your terms, not on anyone else's terms. How to start over after 50, but with nothing, no money, no techy skills, nothing more than willingness to change, to make a change. You should know how many people that are actually searching for this. And you have the skills better than you think. You can create a digital product with your skills on your level. And here is why that path makes it so powerful. When you create your own product, every sale you make gives you 100% in profit. Clearly and simply. Write it in the comments. What's that one problem that you have already solved in your life that someone else can actually be searching for right now? That brings us to shift number 2. Products you already use. Share it. I mean, have you ever thought about you're looking at a movie, you find a movie and say, hey, that is so good. And then you call your friend and tell her, you got to see that movie. And then she tells someone else and tells someone else, right? Because it's the mouth-to-mouth recommendation. You use it, you liked it, why not recommend it to someone else? That is called affiliate marketing. And this one is so beautifully simple. You find a product that you already use, something that genuinely helps you, and you share it. It can be a self-helping book about your mindset, how to set your mindset on the right track. It can be a journal that you can actually fill in and look back at your progress, at the steps you take. It can be anything that you think when you have done it and you thought, well, I'm going to do this, then I can just take it off. Someone else needs that too. And when you recommend it to someone else and then they buy it from your link, you earn a commission. Not 100%, but it is a commission. And you stack them up, and that is good money. The good thing is you have no product to create, no customer service to manage, but just an honest recommendation for a product that you use and find it very useful for you and helping others to buy it too. It's as simple as that. And here is why it works so good for spoonies and others with limited energy. Because you share the product once. It could be in a video, an email, a post. It can even be faceless post if you don't want to show your face out there. And it keeps working for you 24/7. While you're resting, while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're having a beautiful day with your family, or not so beautiful day back in bed because you had a flare day. It doesn't matter, it works for you anyway. The content you create today can earn you money months and years ahead. That's not a dream. That is how digital products works. And all that you can learn inside of my program. So once again, grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint down below so you can follow it step by step so you know the next step to take on this path. And that leads us to shift number 3. Start earning money before you even created anything. Huh? This path was the path that surprised me the most. And I'm sure many of you just, what? And honestly, it's the one that I started with and that built the foundation of my company as it is today. And the funny part with this is an education. You can go to college, absolutely, and get an education. Then you go back and you hopefully get a job and you work 9 to 5 until you die, right? But that's not what we're after, right? This is also an education. You learn how to start your company, how to run your company, how to create digital products, how to do affiliate marketing, make email list, create email list. But one thing that is so important, how to put all this on automation so it runs for you 24/7. That's incredible for us spoonies, right? But I haven't even told you the best part yet. You have bought your education, super duper, but now you have the full right and possibility to take this education and sell it to someone else who needs it, were in the same situation that you were from the beginning. So not only do you have your education for life, and you can still go back to it and follow it step by step, learning new stuff every day. I do. But you can also help someone else and sell the product to someone else. And for that, you get 100% of the profit. Not as affiliate marketing, just a sliver. You get 100% when you sell this program. And you still have the education for yourself. It's crazy, I know. Now, here is why that path was the best path for me when I started out. And another beautiful part of this is it came pre-built. Not only did you get the whole education, you get the freebies, you get pre-done emails, you get a pre-built website, all of it already done for you. The only thing you need to do is put your bank information in so you can get paid. That's the only thing. That's crazy. I mean, for this non-techy Swedish grandma with very limited energy, that was amazing. That was right, spot on. That was exactly what I needed. And the marketing things and the marketing skills I learned in this program, now I can apply them to everything in my life because they also tell you and show you how you can create small different income streams so you build on top of each other. And that's one of the reasons that I now can live on Bali for 6 months and live in Sweden for 6 months. You learn the marketing once and then you use it forever. That is the multiplier that most people miss. And also, it runs on automations, my friend. Even when I had these bad days, it runs for me. Tell me in the comments down below which one of the 3 paths that we talked about just now do you think talks to you, speaks to you the best? 1, 2, or 3? Let me know. Now, whichever part you choose, the system that sells it, it's the same for everything. 4 things. That's it. Only 4 things. And my honest opinion. 1, you need traffic. People need to know where you are, where to find you. They need to see you. And my recommendation on social media is definitely YouTube. I so wish someone told me when I started, YouTube was the place. I tried everything. I tried all the other ones, like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, you name it. But I had a hard time getting my message out in just short 1-minute videos. I needed to be somewhere that people were actually searching for the problem that I had the solution on. And that's YouTube. Not because it's trendy, absolutely not. Because it's a search engine. Did you know that Google actually owns YouTube? People are typing in questions up in the search bar. And then they come to your video because you had the answer. All of this stuff you'll learn in this program. How to do your videos, what to put in. The really important thing is you have to be you. You have to be authentic because that is what people want. And that is what people feel like, she's just like me. She knows what I'm talking about. I call that set it up and grow it. The second thing you need is a freebie. Inside every video, inside every post, every piece of content you make, you offer something genuinely useful. A checklist, a guide, a simple PDF, or a roadmap, or like mine, my freedom formula blueprint made for us spoonies to show you how to take the next step. That's one freebie. Something that makes the viewer think, I need that. I could use that. They click the link, they enter their email, and now you're building your email list with your peers, with the people who are interested in what you have and what you can show them and help them with. It's as simple as that. You see, I'm doing it right now. Like I said, the Freedom Formula Blueprint, that's my freebie. I give it to you. You give me your email, and I know that you have a Freedom Formula Blueprint that you can follow, that is useful for you. No one can take that away from you. So even if, say, social media, it's not going to happen, but say social media totally disappears in the morning. TikTok is closed down and Facebook is something else and Instagram doesn't work either, and the same with YouTube. All your customer was gone then, right? Think about that, because I see social media just as rented space. But the email list, the emails you get from people who want to know you and who wants to learn from you and see what you have, that email list is gold because it's yours. So even if everything else shuts down, you have your email list and it's yours. It's not a rented space. And email gets seen, really seen, not like 2% from social media. Your audience doesn't see all your content, only like 2% of it. And that is on a good day. But a real warm, authentic email where you can talk to your audience. You can even have a little video in there. People clicks on it, opens it, and feels seen. And they know that you can help them. The fourth thing you need, number 4, a simple checkout page. A headline, 1 sentence or 2 sentences about the result you are delivering when people are buying this product from you. And a payment form, like PayPal or whatever you use. Stripe. That's it. It's done. Set it and grow it. And here is the part that still to the day makes me emotional when I think about it. Once the system is up and running, it runs for you without you. Ugh, it gives me the chills. I don't have to be worried about if I have a bad day or if I don't have the time or whatever. And about the time, that's also something peculiar. In this program, they teach you how you can get your income earning activities done 2 hours a day. Yeah, you heard me right. You can do this for 2 hours a day, and you can have a system that runs for you. It gives me the chills. With the system right in place, the automation kicks in, the emails goes out, the sales come in. That's the whole point. You start building your freedoms, your time freedom, your location freedom, and your financial freedom. So, my friends, 3 paths, 1 simple system. You don't have to be techie. I wasn't. You don't have to be young. Heck, you don't even need to have all that energy that everyone else has. You can do this on your terms. You just have to be willing to start. Because if you want to change, you have to make it change. It's as simple as that. Pick the path that suits you the best, where you are in life now. And please don't forget to download your own free Freedom Formula Blueprint. After that, you can take an educated decision if this program is for you too. And please let me know. Drop 1, 2, or 3 in the comments so I know which path is the most popular and think which will fit you. Okay? So, my friends, YouTube has picked out the perfect next video for you. Before you watch that one, if you had value out of this video, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new content that I put out in our way to go for time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. I help you. I show you that there is a way. Until we meet again, have a beautiful day. Toodaloo.